Hi, Nerf boy here with his minigun. I like this minigun. It rounds about a year old. I've only had it for about 2 months. Got one tactical round on it. It's got it shoots once. Got your little pullback here, like that. Put your 2 bullets in here. This 2 holes. 2 bullets. 2. I can stick it in. Yeah. I'm not really sure what this is for. It doesn't have a light or anything. Got 1 bullet in here. Got 1 little looking thing. That's my dog. He's barking. Got your trigger. Your Nerf here. Nerf here. And I'm going to do a few shots. And some of the time this goes around about 30 meters, 30 feet. Do 3 shots. And that's the end of my mini Nerf gun. And if you're watching this, can you go and check out my 2-in-1 demolisher? And one more thing, you can move this up and down using these, up and down. Nerf boy out.